First, open the passenger side door. Open this. Pinch it from both sides. Here is a pin. Here is a hook. Push down. Take off this cover. You will see there is a clip. You push and it will be easy take out. This is your cabin air filter. See how dirty it is. There are leaves and insects. You may notice air filter has a mark indicator indicating the air flow direction. The air goes into the car in this direction. The new air filter also has a mark showing the airflow direction. Insert it in. Put it in this hole. Cover it back. Then close the door. It will automatically lock in. And then lock this. Now we are finished. If you found this useful, please subscribe.